So today we're gonna start a new topic which names glycolysis. Maybe you heard about it or maybe you not, but it's nothing but the breakdown of what? Glucose. Glucose molecule. Glucose is what? Glucose is a 6 carbon molecule. It's a monosaccharide. It's a carbohydrate basically. That is saccharide. Saccharide means sugars. ठीक है. तो ग्लूकोज इज नथिंग बट अ 6 कार्बन मोनोसेकेराइड. ठीक है. तो अब अगर ग्लूकोज को तोड़ते हैं, दैट इज ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ ग्लूकोज इज नोन एज breakdown of glucose is known as glycolysis. And what it results into? It results into the formation of pyruvate. What it is? It is a 3 carbon molecule, and 2 pyruvates are formed when a glucose molecule is broken down, which is a 6 carbon molecule. 2 carbon or 2 molecules of pyruvate are formed, which are 3 carbon molecules. All right. And if it is aerobic, then it follows TCA, that is tricarboxylic acid cycle. ठीक है. If it's not aerobic and it's in anaerobic conditions, so it happens in aerobic conditions. By aerobic I mean there is a lot of O2, or you can say in the presence of oxygen, right? And in the absence of oxygen or anaerobic conditions, this pyruvate is turned into, this pyruvate results in the formation of lactate. Okay, lactate, or you can say lactic acid. All right. So these are two steps following the pyruvate formation. Like first the glycolysis is till there only. Formation of pyruvate is done. Like glycolysis from glucose to pyruvate, and it's done. Further that is lactate formation is another topic, and TC is another whole cycle. Like a glycolysis is also a cycle, but TC is another cycle. All right. So let's discuss first glycolysis. What is glycolysis and what are their steps? ठीक है. What are its steps? ठीक है. तो first glycolysis पढ़ते हैं. All right. So glycolysis is what? It's the breakdown of glucose, right? The breakdown of glucose into pyruvate. 6 carbon molecule is being converted into a 3 carbon molecule. All right. So why we are doing it this? Like 3 carbon molecules जो बनेंगे वो 2 होंगे, of course ना. 6 carbon is converted into 3 carbon, so their number should be 2, right? तो अभी why we are doing this? For the production of some certain energy, or you can say some energy for the basic function. And if it is anaerobic condition, like in yeast you can say, or in RBCs lacks mitochondria, so it is the only pathway that provides energy. Like glycolysis is the only pathway which produce energy in the RBCs, that is erythrocytes. All right. Or red blood cells you can say. So glycolysis is what? Glycolysis is a whole 10 step cycle. What? A 10 step cycle, right? So it's not a single step cycle, and it's a 10 step pathway you can say. No, it's not a cycle because it is not in a circle. Like glycolysis not result in the formation of glucose again, but it results in the formation of pyruvate. So it's not a cycle but a pathway. So it's a wrong word. It's a 10 step pathway, right, which results in the formation of pyruvate. So let's begin step by step. Okay, so let's focus on the first step of it. First step is nothing but the conversion of glucose into glucose 6-phosphate. And why we have to do this? For the breakdown of any monosaccharide like glucose, galactose, fructose, we have to first phosphorylate it. Like we have to add a phosphate group in it. Why so? Because for the breakdown of these things we need to phosphorylate. If we do not phosphorylate, then we can't break down these. All right. So what it needs to be get phosphorylated? It need ATP. So we are using red color for showing ATP utilization or production, both we will show with the help of red color. So we gonna apply a ATP, and what we get in return? ADP. One molecule of one inorganic phosphate gets in the molecule of glucose at the 6th position. So this is glucose 6-phosphate, right? And whenever there is what, whenever there is ATP production, there is the inclusion of Mg2 plus ions, right? So glucose is being converted into glucose 6 phosphate. Then there is need of certain what, certain enzyme for this. All right. So if there is need of a certain enzyme, so there is what, there is hexokinase or glucokinase. The functions, they both function in the same way. Both perform this common reaction, that is glucose into the glucose 6 phosphate, but their names are different because their location of origin is also different. One is found somewhere else and one another is somewhere else. All right. What are these? These are hexokinase and the glucokinase. All right. So glucokinase, if you gonna if you gonna learn this name, how can you recall this? But kinase, you mean it's a ATP addition, right? Kinase, whenever there is a kinase word, it is ATP addition, right? Or you can say breakdown with the help of ATP, but there is not breakdown, there is a phosphorylation which takes place with the help of a kinase, and you can say with the help of ATP, right? So this is the first step, so we can mark it first or simply one side में लिख देते हैं. Then the other step, that is the second step, is the formation of what, fructose 1,6 only fructose 6 phosphate, right? So glucose is being converted into what, fructose 6 phosphate, fructose 6 phosphate, right? So glucose is being converted into fructose 6 phosphate. एंड अब फ्रक्टोज क्यों बनाया, क्योंकि जो फर्दर द pathway runs with the help of the formation of fructose only. We can't run glucose in this pathway. And abhi one doubt is there, one doubt is should be there in your minds, that if fructose enters into the pathway at the very first step, like in the place of glucose there is fructose at the very first step, then what going to happen? Then there is not such step like glucose 6 phosphate formation, and there is a formation of fructose 6 phosphate, and there is no need of this second step, the conversion of glucose 6 phosphate into fructose 6 phosphate. There is no need, right? I'm saying fructose is entering the pathway, right? So when fructose enters the pathway, there is a step less, while when glucose enters there is 10 steps, while in the when fructose enters there are only 9 steps. All right. So what we need there, that is phosphohexoisomerase. So how gonna you drive this? Like phospho from phosphate, hexo means 6, like these both are what, 6 carbon molecule. So phospho from phosphate group, hexo from 6, and isomerase, like glucose and fructose are what, isomers. All right. So phosphohexoisomerase is the enzyme used. All right. It's simple. Fructose 6 phosphate formation takes place with the help of glucose 6 phosphate. With the help of phosphohexoisomerase. All right. Then what is the third step? Third step is like the conversion of fructose 6 phosphate into fructose 1,6 phosphate. Fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. What? Fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. How does this happens? This happens again with the help of some ATP. Okay, again is a phosphorylation, and there is a phosphate group at each first and sixth position, right? So there is a utilization of ATP, and ADP is being produced, and whenever there is ATP utilization, there is ion acting, that is Mg2 plus. All right. And what was the enzyme used for this? Okay. So this is done by phosphofructokinase 1. Phosphofructokinase 1. This is the name of enzyme. What is PFK? PFK means phosphofructokinase. All right. So this is phosphofructokinase. Like there is hexoisomerase. This is phosphofructokinase. And now how the name is derived? This is derived like this. फ्रक्टोज था, फ्रक्टोज 6 फॉस्फेट, राइट. तो फ्रक्टोज, phosphofructose, like phosphofructose is like phospho and fructose. Okay. Then kinase is for ATP. I said whenever there is utilization of some ATP, there should be an enzyme which naming with the kinase. All right. So there is what, phosphofructokinase, and with the help of phosphofructokinase 1, phosphofructokinase 1, why we are saying 1, there is another enzyme that is phosphofructokinase 2, which acts in a, which does not act in this way, which acts in another way. We are not concerned with that cause it's not in the syllabus. All right. तो fructose 1,6 bis phosphate formation. All right. And fructose 1,6 phosphate हो गया. अभी ये कौन सा स्टेप था अपना? ये था अपना थर्ड स्टेप. Which step? This is the third step, right? All right.